Alright, today we're going to be cleaning the spark arrestors on these two generators. The one on the left is actually one we purchased probably about 2 months ago. And it's this newest style of these Predators that I've seen. The one on the right we purchased about 6-7 months ago. Again, it's different style, different manufacturer. The oil fills are on the opposite sides of each other. So definitely two different models, just in a very similar packaging. The one on the left, these newest ones that I've seen, to get the spark arrestor, we've actually got to remove the back panel because of the style of cover they have on it. Pull the back panel off, and as we can see here, it's got kind of a wider connector, and which, when you're looking at these, it's sitting underneath the plastic, so you can't just simply unscrew them like you can the old one. But what you're going to need is an 8mm socket. Go ahead and pull these off. Two screws there we're going to pull off. This should simply come right off, along with the collector. There's another word for it, I don't know it. So we're going to want to clean these up. Got some brake cleaner. Grab. And we just simply spray them out. All the gunk is out of there. So we're going to want to do that. Much cleaner, not nearly as black, and that's just with a quick treatment of the carb cleaner. I'll do the same thing with the basket part. That's just as above. And that's how we do it. Give them a second to dry, and then we can go ahead and move on to our older style, well, slightly older style. These are simple, you don't even have to pull off the back panel. Fell right out. And then you gotta pull out the basket itself. A little bit smaller there. But again, it shows you the different models that are being sold, all under the same name. I've truly seen no big performance difference between any of them, but and we've had some issues in the past where these had actually completely plugged up on us and were causing us to think that we were, or basically causing generators to completely stall out. So, that's right a second. Okay, we go back to over here, we're going to put these back in. Same procedure. Goes on pretty easy. On for us. There we Put that back on there. I wouldn't start it. I'll give it about an hour or so before I would actually start it, just to make sure any fumes are out of there. Thank you, carpet cleaner. Cleans up pretty quickly. That's lovely. Yep. I'm a little trouble here. I'm human. Actually, the same 8mm sockets will work on this as well. There's our other screw. Then we'll go in reverse with the other panel, get it put back on, and we'll call it a day, at least with the arrestors. Fine.
They're done. Hot.
And there we go.